Okay, so let's raise her up some, see how it does. Okay, as high up as my lift goes. And it should clear. Now comes the fun part, is finagling the little bobcat here. Alright, so I got it pretty well lined up. Just using the floor jack to help move it side to side. So let's lower it some now and see about how it looks. So I can tell now, I might move the cage a little bit here. Kind of fine tune, but it's going to hit the throttle here before long. Down a little bit more. See how that looks. Should clear the throttle now. I expect it to be perfect on this first go around. I just want to get it kind of like roughed in, because I know that this guy here, this bolt here was a real pain last time. But I just want to get it kind of sitting down in the general vicinity. Alright, so after some finagling, finally got it positioned, put the nuts and such back on here. So now I can do the normal lift her up and down. So now then we can, time to finish up our wiring harness that goes in between here. Alright, so I've got my 2 wires, or cables. They're still loose, just feed it through. Okay, so I got that there. It's gonna be hard to see, I'm just going to find a spot up in here to tie them up and connect them. So I'll do that real quick. Alright, so here it is, tilted back. The wiring looks fine. I got plenty of slack. They'll be able to move around out of the way. They're not going to hit anything. And then when I close it, I added like another little stress release down here just to make sure, keep those wires from that hot manifold. But otherwise, everything looks pretty good. Nothing I'm really worried about. So I'm going to put the lid back down.